بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Now these three letters that we will mention can sometimes be a vowel or a consonant. This letter is called alif. If the alif is a vowel, it looks like this. As a vowel, it never comes at the beginning of a word, only in the middle or the end of a word. When the alif is a vowel, the way we say the alif depends on the letter before it. So if the letter before it is a heavy letter, the alif will have a heavy sound. For example, we say the word qala. The qaf is a heavy letter. The alif also becomes heavy. It will make an ah sound. Qala. If the letter before the vowel alif is a light letter, the alif will also be light. For example, we say the word mahir. The meme is a light letter, so the alif will be light. It makes an ah sound, mahir, and not mahir. If the alif is a consonant, it will always come with a mark called the Hamza. It looks like this. It either makes an a, I, or u sound, depending on the vowel. This letter is called waw. It is a light letter. This is what the waw looks like at the beginning, like this in the middle, and like this at the end of a word. Waw can be a vowel or a consonant as well. If waw is a consonant, it will sound similar to the English letter W in the word water or the word wolf. Here are some examples. Waw in the word wahid, or waw in the word warda. It makes a W sound. If the waw is a vowel, it does not have any marks on it, and the letter before it has this symbol, known as the dhamma, which we will learn later on. When you see the waw like this, it makes an oo sound in the word pool, so this word will read wurud. This letter is called ya. This is what the ya looks like at the beginning, like this in the middle, and like this at the end of a word. Ya can either be a vowel or a consonant. If ya was a consonant, it will sound similar to the English letter Y in the word yellow or the word yogurt. Here are some examples. Ya in the word yawm, or ya in the word yad. If the ya was a vowel, it comes either in the middle or the end of the word. It does not have any marks on it, and the letter before it always comes with a kasra. When you see the ya like this, it makes an e sound in the word weed. So this word will read Eid. As well as the above 28 letters, there are 3 supplementary letters. They aren't usually included in the alphabet, but are used frequently nonetheless. This is what the Hamza looks like. It represents a glottal stop, which means to obstruct airflow in the vocal tract. English speakers make this sound all the time, such as in the word in, on, and at. The Hamza can sit on its own or sit on any of these letters. It either makes an a, I, or u sound, depending on the vowel. We will talk about vowels in the next lesson. This letter is called the ta Marbutah, the tied up ta. It comes only at the end of a word. It is pronounced as the letter ha if we read the word on its own. For example, this word reads shajarah and not shajarat, or this word reads Fatima and not Fatimat. We pronounce both words with a ha at the end. But if the word with a tied up ta is linked to another word, it will be pronounced as a ta. For example, if I add this word Jamila over here, it will read now as Shajaratun Jamila. It makes a ta sound. If I add this word here as Zahra, it will read as Fatimatuz Zahra. So, if I connect the word, it makes a ta sound, and if I don't connect the word, it makes a ha sound. We also have the Alif Maqṣūrah, which is the shortened alif. It looks like the letter ya, but with no dots. It also occurs at the end of a word. It also has no vowels on it. So how do you pronounce it? We have to look at the letter before it. If the letter before it has a kasra, it will be pronounced as an E sound, like in the word weed. This will read as Yahdi. But if in this example the letter before the shortened alif has a fatha, the ya is called the Alif Maqṣūrah, the shortened alif. It will be pronounced as yansa. It makes an a sound. We will learn what fatha and kasra means in the next lesson.
صدق الله العلي